just arrived at Cam Loch to get a long shot of Suilven. It's a fairly used spot where I am. It's well known. Gives you the nice long loch with the very distinctive mountain in the back. It's definitely a well known one in Scotland. The midges are in full force, and unfortunately I've still got a good 40 minutes till sunset. Thankfully, due to the time of year, the sunset should be going down right behind the mountain, so hopefully we'll just get a burst of colour coming up from the back. Until then, I'll just be deciding where my actual composition is going to be, where I'll take it, and trying to survive all the midges. But you can see it just over my shoulder there. Sun's probably overexposing it a wee bit on this. But yeah, hopefully tomorrow we'll be going up it as well, if the weather holds and all goes well. But anyway, on to setting up the shot. Not bad sunset at Cam Loch. The sky didn't light up anything beautiful, but there was a wee bit of cloud interest, and there was still enough colour, so we'll see how they turn out once we get back home and get them edited. It's about coming up for midnight. We're just parked up at the start of the walk for Suilven, and we'll do that tomorrow. I don't know what time I'm going to set off at. I'm hoping probably set an alarm so that I'm leaving about 7ish. The forecast is for rain between 7 and 10, just showers, but I think I'll probably just chance it anyway rather than starting off later. If I wake up stupid early, I might just start as well. But the two of us are fed, watered and ready for bed, so that's probably still going to take me a wee while to drift off, I think. Just the way I'm feeling, but Leto's pretty pooped looking. Yeah, not much else well than that. A couple of wee time lapses got as well. The usual. I set off at about midday, and I think to get up here it should have been about 4.5-5 hours driving, and of course it's taken me, excluding the time waiting for sunset, because you can't really count that, that's not fair. Let's just say to get to there it took me about 8.5-9 hours, almost twice what it really should have. It's the good and the bad thing with Scotland is you can be driving along and you just see a great photo opportunity and you stop and have to take advantage before you know it. You've added half an hour every stop at least. I've caught myself about 3 times now doing it today, and also a wee bit of shopping, which was needed. But yeah, right, I'm going to put my head down, try and get some rest, because it's a long walk tomorrow. Anyway, night night. As you can probably hear, it's pouring it down, absolutely pouring it down. You know when I'm going up a hill like this, there's a wee bit of thunder in the background as well, so given the fact I'm in a rooftop tent, I really need to just get out of here, and I think I'll just need to drive somewhere and see where I can end up going. Total span in the works. No idea what to do now. Did look at the forecast before I came, and it was for a very light shower this morning. It's obviously escalated pretty dramatically. So I'll probably just go a wee drive and see if we can get some photos. Some lightning wouldn't be terrible if I can get some nice photos. I'm not bothered. But yeah, there's no way. I've not brought the equipment to go up a hill in this room, and frankly, there's no point either. It's getting worse and worse. The choice. It's 9:15. Managed to get the tent put away without getting too wet. Silver lining to the very stormy clouds was I managed to jump out and get a shower, which always makes you feel a lot nicer and cleaner through the day. And luckily enough, it's quiet enough that I don't really have to be discreet. The forecast says it's going to be like this until about 2, which is still a good 5 hours away. So I don't really know what I'm going to do until then. That sort of rain that you're soaked within a few minutes of being outside. So I'm not really wanting to get Lito soaked throughout the day because I've only got 2 towels, one of which is already pretty much sodden. I've hung that up over the dog rail to try and dry out a bit. And the other one I'd quite like to try and keep just in case I need it for anything drastic. There's a town a wee while back, so I'll maybe take a wee drive in, see if there's a cafe open, get a cup of tea and decide what I'm going to do. Just with the weather the way it was this morning, I went a wee drive and came to the Falls of Kirkcaldy. It's just a 7 kilometre walk each way. No, sorry, 7 kilometre walk in total, 3.5k each way with not much of an ascent. So generally just a bit of a forest walk with some waterfalls included, mainly to make sure Lito gets a decent walk and to give me something to do. The weather's holding off just now, but there's supposed to be some showers later on, so we'll reassess an actual proper hill walk later on, maybe after lunch. But we'll just see how the day goes, try and get some nice photos, hopefully get some waterfalls included here, and take it from there. Been walking for about half an hour now, and the walk was starting to feel a wee bit stale, just going through a not the nicest forest, as well as just now all the paths are absolutely waterlogged as well, which isn't helping. But the views have really opened up. You've got Suilven in the far distance, another couple of peaks that I'll be honest I can't really tell which is which just now, but it's definitely opened up quite nicely, so a walk worth doing. We'll see how the falls turn out, but if they're anything like the views just now, then it's definitely one to put on the list to do. I'll say this, the Falls of Kirkcaldy are pretty impressive. Among the better ones I've definitely been to. It is a wee bit of a walk, maybe half an hour to 40 minutes each way, depending on your pacing. And the path was quite waterlogged when I was doing it, but on a day that I hadn't just had a thunderstorm, it'd probably be okay. Well worth the trip out, absolutely beautiful. Got some nice drone shots that hopefully turn out quite good as well. And if you carry on past, you can see Suilven in the background as well. So it's definitely worth a wee trip. But anyway, I stupidly didn't bring any food on this wee trek because I didn't think it was actually going to be as long. So it's time to get back to the car and get something to eat. After a fairly questionable start with the thunderstorm and what was one of the worst downpours that I've probably seen this year, it turned out a pretty nice day. The sun did come out, got totally sunburnt because was an idiot, didn't bother putting any lotion on, more interested in keeping the flies off me. Just now we are camped up at the car park for Ben Wyvis, just due to the fact it's fairly sizable one and there's nobody else in it, so I thought it'd be a good place to set up for the night. Through the day, had a few stops after the Falls of Kirkcaldy, made our way down to Moorfield and just had a wee walk along the beach there, and then carried on down towards Ullapool. And there's been plenty of random stops. That road down towards Moorfield is just full of photo opportunities. Definitely a much earlier night tonight. The one issue, car going by, with the summer is obviously sunsets about 10, which is fine if you've got the possibility to set up camp and then bugger off and come back to it. And as much as it doesn't take too long for me to set up a camp, about 5 minutes maximum, the issue of finding where I'm parking up and camping can come into play if I leave it too late at night, just due to being able to spot places. Plus, if it's a 10 o'clock sunset, it's realistically 10:30 before you're packing up your stuff, get back into the car. It can be 11, half 11 before you're anywhere close to getting into a sleeping bag, and it takes me ages to switch off. So I've decided to just miss the sunset tonight. I don't think there's going to be one anyway. There's too much low-lying cloud, and there's probably too much emphasis on getting those sunset pictures because I just think about it too much. So plenty of nice photos got already, and I'm happy enough with how the days went. So yeah, I'm going to just get ready for bed. All my stuff's lying out for tomorrow so I can get up nice and early. That's my last day for this wee road trip. It's been about two nights, 3 days, and that's probably enough. Wanting to hit a lot of locations again in the autumn when the foliage just changes colour and starts to die down. A lot of the waterfalls especially are just a bit busy with greenery, kind of stopping you from getting some more angles picked up. So a lot of places earmarked to get visited again later on in the year, and I'm just wittering on a lot of pish. I'll sit and wait for the sun to go down. Leto's already KO'd, she is exhausted, she's just non-stop just now. For a collie husky mix, she's a lazy dog. As usual, the trip didn't go exactly as planned, but it still went well enough. Got a couple of nice photos out of it. Didn't manage to get to do Suilven as I was hoping to, but it'll always be there for another day. Hope you enjoyed the video. As usual, check out the Instagram. Downloads are now available at fourpads.photodeck.com. You can just get a HD download and print it yourself, so you've not got to worry about the cost of shipping, etc., especially worldwide. And as always, a wee thumbs up in the video and subscribe if you're enjoying the channel. Thanks, bye.